Are you still juggling multiple tools for LinkedIn, email, and social outreach and struggling to keep your pipeline full? What if you could automate your entire prospecting process, personalize every touch point, and centralize all your replies in one inbox? Meet the Growth Machine, the all-in-one sales automation platform trusted by 25,000 professionals. The Growth Machine is a powerful multi-channel sales automation tool designed to help you find, engage, and convert more B2B leads on autopilot. With LGM, you can import leads from LinkedIn, your CRM, or simple CSV, enrich contact data automatically, and launch personalized outreach campaigns across LinkedIn, email, Twitter, and even phone calls, all from a single dashboard. With feature like intuitive sequence builder, AI-powered message personalization, and automated voice notes for LinkedIn, LGM provides you the boost to reply rates and book more meetings. You can manage all conversations in a unified inbox that qualify them as leads as they reply and sync everything seamlessly with CRMs like HubSpot and Pipedrive. That's why in this tutorial, I'll walk you through setting up your Growth Machine account, importing and enriching leads, building a multi-channel campaign, and tracking your results. We'll also cover how to personalize your outreach and use LinkedIn voice notes and integrate with your CRM for a fully automated workflow. So first things first, head over to the website and go to thegrowthmachine.com. You should be able to see in here this. As you have noticed, they have actually been offering a 14-day free trial. You just need to input your email right here. Once you have inputted your email, you should be able to see in here this part. You can just input your company name right here and also input your company size as well as your preferred language. Click on continue once you're done with that. Now in here, it will ask if you ever experimented with a sales automation tool like this. So for this case, I'll just choose I never use something like this. It will ask your job as well and also how did you hear about that. Once you've done that, you will be prompted to the actual dashboard part of your Growth Machine. You can see right here that we have our setup and as you can see the trial is activated now. You can just input and create your audience. So in here, just input your company name or domain to find similar companies. You can type in here something. Like for example, let's input right here Google. This is just an example. So from in there, you can just input Google Cloud right there. And in here, it will show you in here this part. So it will show you the lookalike search that is available. We also have in here the similarity gauge based on that. And in here, it will display similarity score greater than 85. You can also see the actual part of them, like their category. They're all in software development. And you can also see in here their location, as well as how many people are currently working at that particular company. Now in here on the results, you can see in here this link part. You can click on the link right here and you will be prompted to the actual company's actual website. In here, you can also see the LinkedIn option. So you can click on this right here and you will be prompted to the company's right there. So from in there, you can also click on this find leads. So as you can see, it's just as easy as that. When you click on this find leads right here, you can apply the filter to identify ideal leads within the list of companies. For example, right here, let's head over and then look for here for a job. Let's look for a manager job, add that, and you can also filter them by location if you would want. Now for this one, I'll just search for the manager job and view results. And you also have the option to connect your LinkedIn account to the Growth Machine in order to give you access to the freshest and most relevant data for your leads. Now let's close this and let's explore other options. Now in here, you can also launch your campaign in order to get leads. To do that, you can also first choose in here on which channel are your leads most active. If you have in here LinkedIn and then email, We also have email. Then if no answer, then LinkedIn. And we also have in here all of the templates available. For this case, let's choose in here show all the templates and click on next. From in there, they will show you all of the templates that they have available. We have the LGM template, we have LinkedIn, email, then 4 follow-ups. We also have 3 follow-ups option. And in here, we also have the voice option right here. For example, let's choose in here this voice option and let's click on to this create that we have right there. Now this will load in order to show you in here this template. As you can see, we have in here the first workflow, which is the LinkedIn, which is the visit profile for that. After that, add a relation to this, and after it, we will have 2 separate workflows. We can either in here, if we have raw email, we can reach out to them and send email. And then if it's not accepted, we can visit the profile again and send an email again after that. Now, if we can also wait after the relation addition. Then after that, send a message and when accepted on a DM. Now in here, once it's accepted, you can send a LinkedIn voice based on that. And in here, if you have pro email right there, if after 7 days that they doesn't reply, and you have a pro email, you can send them an email, or you can also send them a message on LinkedIn. Now you can see that this workflow actually helps a lot onto your actual workflow. Click on this create campaign option. Now this campaign will be duplicated. And you can input right here another option and input content based onto this. You can also edit this particular workflow if you want. You can click onto this audience right here and you can enable this enrich leads. You can click on your identity right here and you can sign in on your LinkedIn as well as your email in order to personalize it further. Under the content, you can write manually or use the power of AI in order to actually send a message to them. You can input your product, your company name, your key benefits, buyer persona, language, as well as tone. As you can see, we have 20 magic messages left. Under the settings, you can also include automatic resume as well as CRM. You can connect your HubSpot or your Tribe right here. And in here, you can select what will happen when the lead replies. You can exit the sequence or you can also do a custom sequence right here. Now you can click on this launch, and if you're ready to launch this campaign, just head over and click onto this let's go option right here. You're successfully launch it. Now in here on your actual dashboard, you can also see the reports that your campaign will run into their actual course. You can see the activated campaigns, contacted people, relations, how many of those has replied, how many you won, and how many you lost. So from in there, you can also find in here your leads and you can create your audience based on this. You can click onto this option and you can import from different actual sources right there. So thank you for watching our Growth Machine tutorial for newbies. If this video helped you discover a smarter way to automate and scale your B2B outreach, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your team. Don't forget to subscribe for more demos and tips on the latest sales automation tools. So, which Growth Machine features are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.